Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert header and footer on specific pages in Microsoft Word. Open your Word document. There you will see the available pages. Now place the cursor on the page where the header will go. From the Layout menu, click on Breaks and select Continuous. After that, double-click on the header. Then click on the button Link to Previous. Enter the desired header. Now double-click on Footer. Click on Link to Previous again. Here, enter the footer. How you see that it is replicated to the following pages but not to the previous one. Here, place the cursor on the next page where the header and footer will go. From Layout, click on Breaks and again choose Continuous. You will double-click on the header and now click on Link to Previous. Clear the text. After this, double-click on Footer. Again, pulse on Link to Previous. Delete the footer. Now you will achieve that header and footer. It is only on one page in the Word document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.